Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today I'm going to show you all how I installed this glueless bob wig I got from Shine and at a very good price. So stay tuned and keep on watching. As you can see, I wore it once, but today is going to be the very first time that I'm going to style it, and it comes with this band. You have to take note, any glueless wig should come with that extra band inside. That's what helps to secure it, and this small one as well, and it's got some clips at the sides and at the back as well. That's what gives it that firm grip where it's going to stick very close to your scalp, as you can see. So you've got to tuck this in, do it carefully so that it doesn't rip off your hair, and if you're very sensitive, you can do away with it as well. The very first step I'm going to go in for is using my Revlon brush, electric brush, to try to smoothen it out, and I'm going to do it for the entire hair. I put the heat is at the maximum. Unfortunately, I've used this brush just for 1 year and it's not really as effective in the way when I just got it, how hot it was. So it's not really the best, but I'm going to do with it anyways. If you're new to my channel is all about natural hair care, hairstyles of all sorts, and fashion. If that's your vibe, then subscribe. To give it that extra boost of shine and volume, I'm going to go in with my Dream Coat by the color Wow and spray it all over. Normally I use this on my natural hair, but since I wanted this wig to have a very natural look finishing, I decided to spray it as well. You can get it on Amazon at a cost price of €38 or something. My straightening iron as well, I got it from Amazon from the brand called Remington. This video is not sponsored, I just want to give you all information about all the tools that I use. I am using the Degree 230 and I'm just going through all of it by first of all combing it with my rat tail comb, then trying to straighten it out with this straightener from Remington. That's it. I realized I didn't have the wax stick, so I decided to improvise by using this red one wax, which I use for braiding, and I'm smoothing it all over around the pattern and wherever I saw the flyaways. I'm just going to apply a little bit of some before heading on to use my hot comb. This is going to help to keep it waist sleek and to keep it as less frizzy as possible. I'm going over with my hot comb to give it that extra professional polished look. As you can see here, I can't remember exactly where I got this hot comb from, but I'm going to link it up later when I discover exactly where I got it from. The quality is really amazing, and you've got to be careful, y'all. This stuff can really fry your skin, so be very careful in the manner in which you handle it or put it close to your skin. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe as well and turn on the notification button, for you wouldn't want to miss out on my upcoming videos. And for the returning subscribers, I really do appreciate your time and dedication. I really appreciate, and thank you all so much for watching. And voila, here is the final result. I'm so proud of myself, my very first week install. I can't wait to do another one for Christmas, and I think that one is going to require some glue, so stay tuned.